To those who are new here, Code 4 is all about educative stuff and a lot more. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and press that bell icon to get instant notifications. Hey guys, welcome to another video in Code 4. In this video, we are going to look at the 8th chapter in computer science theory, and that is security and ethics. Let's get started. There will be 2 videos for this chapter, and by the end of this video, you should be able to know types of security risk posed by phishing and pharming, and all about cookies. Before we move on to the chapter, let me give you some brief description on what this chapter, security and ethics, is all about. Keeping data safe is extremely important for a number of reasons. Data can be corrupted or deleted either through accidental damage or through malicious act. This chapter will let us know security risk, prevention methods, encryption, etc. as you saw on the learning objectives. Without further ado, let's start learning. The first security risk, hacking. I hope all are familiar with this term, as this is the act of gaining illegal access to a computer system. So what does this do? Firstly, hacking poses a major threat to our identity as it gets stolen, and majorly our data can be copied, shared, and corrupted. Is there anything you can do to stop this? Not stop, but yes, there are some ways which can minimize the risk of hacking, and those are usage of strong firewall, usage of strong password, and usage of anti-hacking software. I also have an important point to tell you, that is, encryption will not prevent hacking, it just makes data meaningless. Hacking and cracking. Many get confused on what those two terms mean. Hacking and cracking are totally different, as cracking means an illegal act of editing source code. From now, all security risk I explain you will have the definition, method of prevention, and threat it causes. Now let's move on to the next security risk, and that is virus. Virus is a program or a program code that replicates itself in the intention of deleting files or to cause computer to malfunction. The threat caused by virus include computer getting crashed or files getting deleted and files getting corrupted. Prevention strategies include usage of antivirus software, restricting the use of software from unknown sources. An important point to notice: backup of files will not prevent virus from corrupting your files. The next security risk, and that is phishing. So phishing is a legitimate looking email that when clicked redirects to a bogus website, that is a fake website, where personal details like bank details and your identity are stolen. Usage of internet service provider to filter out mails, not opening spam mails, checking mail address before opening will help you from the risk of phishing. Moving on to the next one, Pharming. Pharming is a malicious code installed on user's hard drive which redirects to a fake website. Same threats caused in phishing includes here too, but the prevention method is different, and that is usage of anti-spyware. HTTPS and padlock sign next to a website means it is a trusted website. The next security risk, wardriving, the act of locating and using wireless internet connections illegally. It only requires a laptop or other portable devices, a wireless network card, and an antenna to pick up wireless signals. The threats include possible to steal users' internet time, hack into the wireless network and steal users' password and other personal details such as bank account. Prevention strategies include usage of WEP, that is Wired Equivalent Privacy Encryption, or usage of complex passwords, and usage of firewalls to prevent outside users from gaining access. The last security risk, spyware. Spyware uses a software that gathers information by monitoring key presses on the user keyboard. The key press are sent to the person who installed the software. The threats include reading all data entered by the user and gaining their personal data, and reading cookie data. I'll explain you what is cookies on the next part of this video. Prevention strategies include usage of anti-spyware and usage of on-screen keyboard and mouse usage. Now let's learn about cookies, not the one on the screen. A cookie is a packet of information sent by a web server to a web browser. Cookies are generated each time the user visits the website. Have you noticed a message which is frequently displayed saying cookies are required to access this site? Every time a user visits the website, cookies will have collected some key information about the user. They are able to carry out user tracking and also maintain user preference. Cookies aren't programs but are simply piece of data. They can't actually perform any operations. They only allow the detection of web pages viewed by a user on a particular website and store user preference. The information gathered by users and cookies forms an anonymous user profile and doesn't contain personal information. Because of the information they do collect, however, they are subject to privacy and security concerns. That's the end of this part. Part 2 coming soon. Make sure you post any doubts you have on the comment section. Part 2 will have some past paper questions which are frequently asked. So don't miss that one. Thanks for watching.